Crafty Kids. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to make a paper Olaf. So this is not an ordinary Olaf, this is a dancing Olaf. So if you push it from each side, it will just move like this and rocks like a rocking chair. So this is a Frozen special Olaf, and this is also a special craft for Christmas. So now without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this Christmas special Olaf, Frozen Olaf. So first, for this activity, I'm just going to be taking a white piece of glitter paper. The first step I'm going to be doing is that I'm just going to be drawing a small circle like this. So I'll show you guys once I'm finished, because you guys won't get a clear clarity if I show you guys now. So I'm just going to be drawing a small circle like this, and I'm just going to be drawing another circle from the bottom part, slowly connecting like this over here. So now I'm just going to be taking a scissor and I'm cutting it out. So you should not follow as per the lines. We can go a little bit across the lines as well to make it more beautiful. So I'm just going to be cutting it out a little bit past the lines like this. So you can use white paper as well, but if you use glitter paper, it will be more beautiful and cute. So that's why we're using glitter paper. So you guys can use any paper you prefer to choose. So now I'm just going to be cutting it out, and we'll have a structure like this. So now after we complete this, I'm just going to be taking a black marker and I'm just going to be putting out small dots, 2 dots over here for the eyes and another 3 dots over here for the buttons on the Olaf. Now the next step I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be taking some remaining red paper like this, and I'm cutting out a small rectangle from it. Now I'm just going to be folding one piece of paper over here, and I'm folding the other piece of paper on top of it, and I'm pressing on it. So this is for making the hat for the Olaf. So this is a very special Christmas and Frozen craft, as I said. Now I'm just going to be opening this part and I'm applying some glue over here, and I'm sticking this part over here onto it. Now I'm just going to be taking a scissor and I'm cutting this bottom part of it like this. So now I'm just going to be pushing it from both the sides so that it will get like an open structure, and I'm just going to be squeezing it onto the head of the Olaf over here, and I'm applying some glue along this border onto the back and front part of the Olaf, and I'm sticking this onto it. So if you use this part, it will be more beautiful and colorful, and the back won't look ugly because it's white paper. It will look nice only. So I prefer you use glitter paper or foam sheet or anything you like. So now we'll have a structure like this, and I'm taking the remaining part of the glitter paper that we had, and I'm just going to be cutting out a small circle from it. So I'm just going to be making it to stick it onto the top part of the paper. So if you guys use white paper or anything, please use that color of paper to stick it, or you can use your own creativity and design this, or you can even stick this piece of paper on top of it. So I'm just going to be sticking one part over here. So if you guys want, you can apply some glue on the back part and you can stick one more circle like this, but I'm just going to be making like a one side look, so I'm doing that. Now I'm just going to be drawing a carrot. So we have to use a dark marker because it won't we can't see it if you use a light marker. 1 second, we have to make it nice and bold like this. So I'm just going to be making it like a pointy nose over here. So you guys can use your own creativity to design this nose and all the other parts over here. Now we're just going to be doing a little more makeup to our Olaf. I'm just going to be cutting out a small rectangular piece of paper like this, so like a rectangular strip. Now I'm just going to be folding this paper a little bit in half to form like an L-like shape. Now I'm just going to be cutting the L over here at the bottom part and over here as well. Now we're just going to be sticking this L over here. So I'm just going to be making it a little bit more shorter because it's too big to fit. Now I'm just going to be applying some glue onto this neck part of the Olaf and over here as well, and I'm just going to be sticking this part on top of it. So sometimes this part might come out as well, so you guys have to apply more glue and stick it. Now I'm just going to be drawing a little like design for the scarf on the Olaf's neck. So I'm just going to be doing a different design. So I did a different design over here, and I've already posted a video on my channel about how to make a snowman. You guys can visit that, and I used this design for that. Now I'm just going to be drawing some small lines like so I'm making the color design over here as well, and I'm just going to be coloring it in. So now I'm just going to be coloring it in on the bottom part and the top part over here and the middle part as well. So just a simple design, and I'm just going to be coloring it in. So you guys can use your own creativity to design this. So at last we're just going to be making the hand for the Olaf. So this doesn't look too good, so you guys can design it using your own creativity. If you do not like this design, you can just do like this ones as well, or you can do simple spots or anything you prefer. Now I'm just going to be taking a red piece of paper and I'm cutting it in half. Now applying some glue onto the right and left part of the paper. Do apply more glue or it won't stick properly in foam paper. So I'm just going to apply more glue and I'm just going to be sticking this paper over here. So I'm going to be sticking it on the opposite side of the paper as well. So after we complete this, our paper Olaf is ready. So at last we're just going to be making the rocking part of the Olaf. So for this I'm just going to be taking a purple piece of paper like this and I'm just going to be cutting out a small circle like this. So if you guys can use any other material or anything to draw the circle, but since I know how to cut it out, I'm just going to be cutting it out. So you guys can use anything else to cut it. Now I'm just going to be folding this paper in half and I'm applying some glue over here. Now I'm just going to be taking this paper and I'm sticking it onto this top part over here, and you have to give it some time to dry, and after it's complete drying, our Rocking Olaf Frozen Special Olaf is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. Thank you for watching. Bye.